The lady's right here. Are my children okay?
Yes.
They're in a good home? They're not eating McDonald's?
No, they're not. Okay. I'm eating McDonald's.
No, I know.
No, I had a conversation.
She's right here. Park right there. Park right there.
I had a conversation with the foster parent, and I told her that they only eat a plant-based diet.
Okay.
So basically what I told her, it's not, those weird little processed carrots from, like, Walmart.
Okay.
I'm talking, and I told her if she needed to, I could go to the farmer's market and pick up fresh fruit and vegetables.
Are they in a good Bible home?
Yes.
They are?
Mm-hmm.
So they're avid churchgoers?
Yes.
Okay, good. Can you just, we're just going to load this up in her truck if you can load it. It's the caseworker right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the lady just called her.
How are you?
So I guess she could pop her trunk because nobody's going past her, and you can just load it up in there. Can you make sure that the foster parents are like allowing my children to do like worship and dance? They listen to a lot of music.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, that's something I didn't stress with you yesterday.
Have you been in contact with your social worker
I have.
in North Carolina?
If you can just, my daughter knows how to work like YouTube and the internet, so if they're able to, that's another thing. I don't let them watch any like regular Disney cartoons or anything like that.
There's no TV in the house.
Oh, okay, good. So they don't watch TV?
They don't watch TV.
Oh, that's so good. What a blessing that is. Not that I'm saying I'm against TV, but there's so much rubbish on TV. Well, what else can you tell me that can give me peace of mind?
I called actually yesterday, because we went ahead and we placed them in the home. Part of our job is that we call the next day, see how the kiddos were doing, see if they, any unaddressed needs, if she needed me to go to the farmer's market and get more, fresh fruits and vegetables for kiddos. She did not at that time. My coworker Paula went out and saw the kids today. They were doing fine. They were finishing up breakfast.
Okay.
They were eating, I think she said they had some bean sprouts with some chickpeas.
Oh, they did?
Yeah.
Oh, that makes me so happy.
Yeah, and they were getting ready to go outside and play. So.
Okay. Just please, and you told them about reading Bible scripture with them and stuff. I'm giving her books also too. They collected some rocks when we did a hike last week. I know these things it's just like little rocks. They're sentimental things.
For them, yeah.
Yeah, if you can make sure, I gave her shoes and her head coverings. I sent some like homeschool curriculum like in their books and
they're very intelligent.
Yeah. This is what doesn't make sense, any of this, and all of it stemmed from an allegation that I wasn't feeding them, and my children are so healthy, it's beyond crazy.
Yeah, you'll have to work it, because it's not our case, you're going to have to work with North Carolina, so.
Well, I've been here for like 6 months, basically, so I'm wondering if I should file a petition in the courts. Cause,
I can't answer that. You're going to have to work with North Carolina.
I have a lawyer. I understand that. Do you know when they're supposed to fly out?
I believe my supervisor.
Because here's the thing,
that.
there was no court order in this courts to take my children. I should have been able to go back to North Carolina and take them. Like, my children were not lawfully seized.
Well, you're going to talk to Megan. Call Megan and talk to her, because we don't have those.
Is there any way that you can give me your card, that I have your contact information, please?
It's all through, we're not contacts for you. It's all through North Carolina.
Yeah, but I would like to call just to check on my children while they're here.
I won't know. I won't have that information.
So is there any way you can give me the information of the caseworker, Paula?
That was assigned to your case is Monty Jones, and he's gone on vacation.
So who will be checking on my children every day?
We don't check on them every day.
Oh, you don't?
No.
Oh, so how are we going to know how they're doing?
You'll need to contact Megan.
Okay.
Oh, hi.
Okay. So there's no case number or anything here for them?
No.
So there's really, I guess, there's no real documentation that you guys even have them in custody then?
The police officer should have given that to you.
Yeah.
The paperwork that he gave you is the writ of habeas corpus out of North
He was
Carolina.
actually supposed to come and deliver it, but they didn't, so...
He'll be out, I'm
Okay.
sure. Yeah, he has all of that.
Okay. But they are doing well.
Yes.
Just please, if you can make a point to call them and just ask them to please allow them to maybe do like 30 minutes to an hour of dance and worship. They don't have to sketch them or like if maybe they could just listen to some Christian music, any type of Christian music. I'm sure that people listen to music, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and then just tell them to like, they'll see how they dance and worship. Maybe they'll get them to dance and worship.
Very cool.
Okay.